Uncensored versus Claude AI. Today we're going to have a look at which one of these tools are actually more uncensored. Okay, so what have we got here? Uncensored AI. If you've stumbled upon Uncensored, you'll know that it is cutting that barrier for AI capabilities, all right? It's giving you access to the most powerful AI models without any filters, no restrictions or bias. It is designed for users who really demand the depth of artificial intelligence. Gone are the days of ChatGPT just agreeing with you. Gone are the days of Gemini saying, hey, how can I help you? And not really actually offer any help. There's no guardrails. It gives you deeper insights. You can create images from your camera, from your library. You can search the web in real time. But one of the biggest things about Uncensored is they are privacy first. So it's anonymous, you get private interactions, and it's continuously refined by user feedback. So if you are looking for something that is really uncensored, Uncensored AI really is amazing. It's trusted by more than 10 million users worldwide, and it's got a 4.4 star rating on your app store, so you can go ahead and grab it directly from there. Also, they have cutting edge models, so you can access Minimax, Grok, Kimi, and they're constantly expanding with user driven updates. They have speech playback, AI predictive inputs, and code mode, which serves a more diverse professional and creative need. And then the last thing is the Uncensored API lets developers embed unfiltered AI directly into their own application. Uncensored AI is actually quite wild. If you're looking for something to blow your mind, Uncensored is amazing. Right, so Claude has actually been around for quite a while. Claude actually helps developers write better code faster. The AI assistant generates production quality code in multiple languages while explaining complex concepts in a simple or more clearer format. The other things that they offer is their production level code. It creates working solutions across multiple programming languages with impressive accuracy. They have error identification, which quickly spots bugs and explains the underlying issues within the error in plain language. It also has platform adaptation. It adapts code to different environments and frameworks with customized solutions. So there we go, folks. There are a bunch of Uncensored AI unfiltered tools out there. Go ahead and check some of them out and see which one actually works for you. If this video was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.